Welcome back to my channel. Today we're exploring the 2026 KTM Freeride E-XC, KTM's latest electric off-road machine that's pushing the boundaries of electric dirt riding with surprising power, agility, and trail-ready capability. Electric power for off-road. The 2026 Freeride E-XC continues KTM's mission to electrify serious off-road performance. Its electric motor delivers instant torque from 0 RPM, giving riders explosive acceleration through roots, rocks, and tight single track. The near-silent powertrain means you can ride without disturbing wildlife or neighbors, yet still feel the thrill of a high-performance machine. Battery and range. KTM upgrades the battery pack with better energy density and cooling systems, giving the Freeride E-XC extended ride times compared to earlier models. Rapid charging support allows quick turnaround on the trailhead, so you spend more time riding and less time waiting. Chassis and handling. Built on a lightweight chromoly frame, the Freeride E-XC retains KTM's signature agility. Long travel suspension and sharp geometry offer confidence over technical terrain. The bike's low center of gravity, thanks to the battery placement, improves balance and makes it easier to flick through tight turns or tackle steep climbs. Traction and control. Electric torque control systems replace traditional clutch feel, providing smooth, manageable power delivery across varied surfaces. Regenerative braking adds trail-friendly slowing while helping conserve battery energy. The lack of gear shifting simplifies riding, making it more accessible to newcomers and still exciting for seasoned riders. Design and practicality. KTM keeps the Freeride E-XC styling rugged and purposeful with a stripped-down look, minimalist plastics, and durable finishes. Ergonomics are optimized for standing and seated position. Final thoughts. The 2026 KTM Freeride E-XC is more than just an electric dirt bike, it's a new standard for electric off-road.